Boost your DTF printing potential with the new addition to the Enjoycolor A3 R DTF printer. Easily add inks to the printer, turn on the printer and let it go through the self-check process. Display the print pattern on a computer for easy selection. The open cover design allows for convenient maintenance. Enjoycolor A3 R DTF printer features the DTF white ink flow tech. It ensures smooth white ink flow, reducing nozzle blockages and providing consistent performance. The temperature control meter allows you to monitor, click exit to smoothly guide the paper out of the printer. Finally, use a pair of scissors to cut out the printed pattern, and you're ready to go. The printer is equipped with the 1390/1800 print head, delivering fuller and more accurate colors. Experience the power and versatility of the Enjoycolor A3 R DTF printer and take your printing capabilities to new heights. Order yours today and unlock a world of creative possibilities.